girls are more likely to develop eating disorders in this type of school. Anorexia, bulimia, binge eating, these are all scary and serious eating disorders that affect approximately 20 million women in the U.S. at one point in their lives, according to the National Eating Disorders Association and ADA. And now, some important new research from overseas is helping explain why they may be so prevalent among young women. The study, which was published in the International Journal of Epidemiology earlier this week, found that high school girls are more likely to be diagnosed with an eating disorder if they're attending a school that has more female than male students and if more of their fellow classmates have college-educated parents. These two findings held true even after taking into account the individual characteristics that would make these girls more prone to developing a problematic relationship with food. The researchers behind the study, which, we should note, was conducted in Sweden, a country that doesn't have any single-sex schools, can't identify just one explanation for their findings. But lead author Helen Bolt, Ph.D., child and adolescent psychiatrist at the University of Oxford, Department of Psychiatry, does have some theories. The first, eating disorders may be contagious and spread from student to student within a school. It makes sense. Here's been a lot of previous research about the effect of peer behavior on adolescents. One 2008 study, for example, found that peer pressure played a strong role in how some teen girls treat their bodies. A 2012 study found peer pressure has a significant influence on self-image and the development of anorexia. Another theory the researchers had, school districts that have a lot of smart, affluent parents may be unintentionally promoting perfectionism. And one more, some schools may be better than others at spotting, and thus diagnosing, eating disorders. Unfortunately, this study couldn't take into account the cases that go undiagnosed, which there are a lot of in the U.S., says the NEDA. Whatever the cause, these findings can help teachers, parents, and school districts pay closer attention to eating disorder patterns, and work harder to promote healthy eating behaviors and positive body image among their female students.